to Singapore.
Dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights.
5:20.
In my head, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights,
Papunta ng
kissing under bright
ano lang,
lights. Rainbow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I miss is
merong bed.
hey boy with the pretty face, I'd like to ask you how you doing today. I like your style and I like your taste. I think maybe we go together great. It's not a fight, just a matter of opinion. But my opinion really got me thinking, if I could travel into outer space, I think I'd take you with me for the day. We look down at the land of blue and green.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it's currently 5:20 and we're going to Singapore and Malaysia. And yung flight natin is mamaya pang 8:30 p.m. So 3 hours, 4 hours early tayo sa ating flight. And kakalagpas lang actually natin ng immigration. And sa akin, ang tinanong sa akin, anong purpose ng travel ko, which is leisure. Then tinanong din sa akin, sinong kasama ko, yung boyfriend ko, si Jiggy. And then, kailan yung balik ko, which is November 30. And then, tinanong din sa akin kung nag-work ako, sabi ko yes. Saan ako nag-work, sinabi ko lang yung work ko, and ano daw yung position ko. Then, yun lang, tinatakan na ako. Pero sa mga previous travels ko, hindi naman ganito karami. So, medyo nagulat lang ako na madaming questions. And for Jiggy, ano tanong sa'yo?
Isa lang yung tanong sa akin actually. Kailan yung balik? Which is November 30. Tapos ayun, tatak na to.
Habang naghihintay pala tayo sa ating flight, is i-activate na natin yung eSIM. And of course, bago tayo pumunta dito, sinagutan na rin natin yung Singapore arrival card para pagdating natin sa Singapore, dire-diretso na lang tayo sa immigration.
Blinding light of snow so bright, a cozy fire whispers low, with a touch of cheer and holiday delight of skiing down the Aspen slopes. Last year around this time I did a little something. It took me off the nights while the world stood still and the street was asleep. I heard my body tell me there's a place by the tree. A trail of crumbs, got a craving of three. A trail of crumbs, it was.
Hi guys, time check, it's 12:52. And kararating lang namin sa Changi Airport and nasa Terminal 4 kami ngayon. Then, kukunin lang namin yung check-in namin sa Belt 4 and then pupunta na immigration, tapos mag-grab na kami papunta sa hotel natin kasi hindi tayo mag-i-stay dito sa airport. Tapos ayan, bago pala kami pumunta dito, nagsagot na kami ng arrival card. Pero if hindi pa kayo nakakapagsagot, merong QR code dito na i-scan nyo bago kayo pumunta sa may immigration. So since kami nakapagsagot na kami, diretso na kami. Welcome to Singapore.
Ganda. Airport pala.
Airport, naka-carpet yung buong ano nila. Buong hallway.
Tapos ang dami na.
Tapos mukhang hotel. Huh? Okay, baka bawal na dito mag-video, so bye.
Only half-eaten, make no mistake, wouldn't do such a thing. Now a whole year later, I'm begging you, Santa, forgive me. I spent a lot.
So dun guys yung papunta ng Jewel Changi and papunta ng ibang terminals. Pero kami is didiretso na kami sa hotel. So dito tayo pupunta sa may taxi stand or hindi ba sa ride hailing, babe? Ride hailing. Punta tayo sa ride hailing and kukuha tayong Grab. Yan, doors 4 to 8. Didiretso na tayo ng hotel. Pero since gusto namin talaga makita yung rain vortex, babalik kami dito bukas ng umaga para bisitahin yung Jewel Changi. So mag-withdraw pa lang muna kami gamit yung GoTime card namin. Ang lapit pala ng mukha ko. Lapit ng mukha ko. Ikaw, sa'yo na lang muna. Magkaroon tayo ng 100. And savings. Continue without HSBC conversion. Ganun lang, nakapag-withdraw na tayo. 100 lang yung winidraw namin kasi for hawker centers lang talaga siya or for food. Kasi sa transpo and shopping, mostly credit cards naman ang gagamitin natin. Magbubook na tayo ng Grab from Terminal 4 Door 8 papunta sa hotel natin. And $24 talaga siya, pero merong code sa airport. Ano to? Airport new to get 50% of Grab ride. So naging 18.85 na lang. So book na natin. No more. Okay.
So together, huh? Hotel 81.
Yes.
Okay.
Out of line, kept the nicest list ready to make things right. It was late, I was weak. This year I'll show you I'm worthy. A Christmas miracle if I don't leave. A trail of crumbs, got a craving at 3. A trail of crumbs, it was only half eaten. Make no mistake, wouldn't do such a thing. Now a whole year later, I'm begging you, Santa, forgive
07 to 017 dito. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Hotel 81 Star and nag-grab lang kami from Terminal 4 and for 1,080 pesos, nandito na kami within 10 minutes. Grabe, para kaming nasa Need for Speed. Kasi grabe yung walang traffic, tapos tuloy-tuloy yung takbo, tapos ang bilis pa magmaneho ng Grab driver namin. And then, ito yung room. So, pagpasok ng pinto, ito na agad siya. Merong bed, queen size. Then, merong may sink. Then, yung TV. And then, merong vault. Tapos, meron ding ref. And then, pagpunta dito, ito yung CR. Ito yung sink. Hi! Ito yung CR nila. Not bad. May toilet and shower. Toilet, merong kasamang shampoo. And then towel. Then merong tissue dito. And then dito, meron ding salamin. Then may pa-coffee sila. Water heater. Wala lang ata silang blower. May blower ba, babe? Hair blower, wala no.
Wala silang bidet.
Wala silang bidet. Kung mahilig kayo or kung gusto nyo yung may bidet, wala silang bidet dito, guys. So that's it. Yan yung may complimentary coffee, may toothbrush kit din. So that's the room, guys. We got this for around 3,000 per night lang. So, this is the room. And pagpasok nyo, sabi yung Wi-Fi password is nasa TV na rin. Very convenient. So, yun lang. Tutulog na kami kasi maaga pa bukas. And at 10 a.m. gigising na para pumunta sa or para bumalik sa Jewel Chang. Kasi hindi natin papalagpasin yung rain vortex. So, yun lang. Bye! May blower pala, guys. Nandito lang siya sa ilalim. And then, may seat dito. And then, yung trash can. Yun lang. Kung gusto niya, guys, ng ganun. Wait! So, here's our food, guys. It's
This is